going on YouTube? Steve Gorniak here, gtradenow.com. Just wanted to take a few moments to say thank you for all the feedback I've been getting. I know I've been gone for a little while. As y'all know, I am currently deployed, so our deployment schedule has been really amping up. So I've been not really taking a break, but I just really haven't had a chance to record. Been getting a lot of emails asking me where I've been and making sure I'm okay. I am okay. I promise you that. Right now, as you see in the background, I'm currently in a trade using my hourly at the money strategy, which is right now on my website on sale at gtradenow.com. Along with all my other strategies. They're all on sale right now. There's a few more days left on that. So take advantage if you can. Tonight I'm really looking at my hourly as well as my 50-50, which is for my 5-minute 50-50, where we're going to get $50 per contract. So what I'm doing right here right now is I sold the market, believing it's going to stay below 110.82, and right now we're at 110.76. Now, this trade, guys, I literally placed about 5 minutes ago, and as you can see right now, I could already take $100 off the table. So we're going to let that roll a little bit. I'm going to search around the market for another 5 minutes. But before I do that, I had some new VIP customers join. I wanted to send shout outs to Amir, Kevin, Stacy, and Tyler. Thank you guys. I'm gracious for you. I'm already enjoying working with most of you, as well as Ebony. And I had a lot of emails, with feedback and questions. I am available for questions as long as my internet is there. So feel free to email me at any time. You can reach me at stevegorniak13@gmail.com. That's stevegorniak13@gmail.com. Or you can hit me up on gtradenow@gmail.com. All right, so two ways you can hit me, get a response from me, very easily. The G-Trade Now, that one goes directly right to a mailbox, so you'll get a response pretty quick with that one. Sometimes I don't always see my personal email, so if you have questions, please email that one. Alright, so I'm gonna keep searching for another trade here. Try to get in a 5-minute trade if possible. I'm not gonna over trade. I'll probably take a few trades today. Trying to get back into recording and all that stuff, and I really don't want to over trade. With the government shutdown and all that stuff, the market can be a little goofy. So I'm just gonna take it light. Make a short goal scalp. Like I do most of the time, like all of you that have watched my videos in the past, I jump out of my trades quite often. I find the setup, I find the strike, and I hit it hot and heavy, and I'll jump out. And that's just what I've been accustomed to doing. And I advise everyone else to do that too. My strategies are very good. They're on point. They do have a good win percentage. I'm not going to guarantee anything because strategies do lose. There's a lot of key things, news and greed over scaredness that always affects too. Each individual person trades differently and has a different outlook on how they trade. So and that's just what it is. So I'm gonna pause this. I'm gonna let this run a little bit. If I do happen to jump out of this, I will bring you guys back in. But right now I'm gonna pause and see if I can get us into something. Okay, guys, I just got filled on my 5-minute at the money, 50-50. I'm gonna pull my ticket up. As soon as I get filled, I always pull my ticket up. All right, and it's something I strongly suggest you do as well, just because this moves so much. So let's see what we can get. I'm probably just going to try to get 50% profit if I can, or if I see a number that I like, I'm going to get out. So this is kind of what we do here. And I give you guidance like this when you do purchase a strategy. I try to try to help you as much as possible without being there. You know, we could set up live trades if that is something you're interested in. If you were to decide on buying a strategy, as well as my Telegram is a direct text right to my phone. So any questions, I give everyone that number when you purchase a strategy. So right now we're up. There's them 250, and I'm gonna take that. Okay. So that just like that, we just made the $250 in less than 5 minutes time, which is awesome. And right now we're up 138 on my hourly. Still has some time here. I want this to roll a little bit longer and see if it hits 150 here soon. I might think about jumping out. But we'll see. So I would like to get in one more trade if possible. However, like I said, I'm gonna look and see if I can find one. I do not like to over trade though, so this might be it for me for the day. I don't have huge goals. This is a supplement of my income. I do have a career, so this is just me trying to improve my bank account and help my wife out with my newborn son. So I'm going to pause this video right now and see if I can find another trade for us. Okay guys, I'm pulling you back in because I'm about to hop out of this trade. As you see, I am currently, it is fluctuating from $220 to $240, and there's not a lot of room for this to go. I mean, at most it's going to go down $20 more. So I'm going to be okay with just taking, let's see if I can get 200. I'm watching on my other screen, so I'm really paying attention to this. If this candle, I'm going to wait on this candle right here. Okay. And I'm going to be okay with that. $204. At the end, you'll see my spreadsheet, and we'll see when I got in that trade. Wasn't in that trade too long. That was my hourly $45.50 it's called. All right, so that's anywhere from $45 to $50 per contract. And I'm still trying to look on my 5-minute 50/50, which is $50 per contract. There's no question about it. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. $50 to make $50, or however much you invest. So I'm gonna pause one more time. Okay guys, I just got filled on the next 5-minute session. So this is going to be my last trade of the day. It's quick too. I mean, literally very, very quick. I'm already good with taking the profit on this. I'm just going to kind of miss my opportunity yapping like I always do. So, see, there's 3 minutes left. I'm in a really strong position. About a pip and some points up. That could easily go the other way. So I'm going to practice what I preach, and I'm just going to take the money, and that looks like another $260. Alright guys, so I'm going to break down I'm done trading for the day. That was a pretty big win for me. I can't even believe it happened. Honestly, I'm actually kind of speechless. I don't know what to say. That went from 140 to 260 just like that. It's pretty awesome. I'm going to make a spreadsheet real fast, so I'll bring you back in with that, and we'll see how long I was in the market for. Okay guys, so a spreadsheet's made from 4:11 to 4:32. That is the time I spent in the market. That is 20 minutes time, 21 to be exact, of actual trading. Now, however, that does not mean I didn't spend some time searching. Okay, I did spend some time searching. I think total time today so far, probably will trade a little later, but I was in the market for an hour total time, right? 20 minutes actually in the market trading. So overall, it's a good day. I profited $670, which is amazing for me, especially considering I took, what is it, 1, 2, 3, 4 trades? No, 3 trades. 3 trades. Took 3 trades, made $670 in 20 minutes time. So I shattered my goal, and that's all that matters to me. So now I'm good for the night. I don't really have to trade again. I probably will not trade again. I was thinking about it, but most likely I probably won't. I'm going to make a withdrawal right away and get that money in my bank account as soon as possible. And that's something I recommend to you guys too. You earn your money on Nadex, pay yourself. Don't worry about building a crazy account size. It's good to have a good amount of money so you could wager more, but pay yourself. All that time you spend practicing, the money you've invested in education, pay yourself. Get your money back. All right. So like I said, all my strategies right now currently are on sale at gtradenow.com. My hourly, my 50/50, everything on sale. Now, I trade my hourly and my 5-minute mainly because of my time constraints, being so far ahead of time. For me to capitalize on my other strategies, I really would have to stay up pretty late. And just now with my work schedule and in the heat of the deployment here, I really can't afford to be tired every single day. So that is mainly what you will see when I'm here trading on recording for you, is my hourly and my 50/50. All right, because the 5-minute is $50 of profit per contract. There's no questions asked. You're not going to get any less. If you stick to the rules, you won't get any less. You will always take $50 per contract. All right. So I look forward to hearing from you guys. If you have any questions, you can go to my website. My email is down there. Down below, there's social media. You can hit me up on Facebook. The link, everything will be in the description, as well as gtradenow@gmail.com. All right. I look forward to working with all of you. If you decide to make the move and furthering your education to better yourself and get you the knowledge to trade binary options on Nadex. And I just look forward to hearing from you guys. I hope you guys have a safe rest of the week. I hope it goes by fast. And trade safe. All right. gtradenow.com.